Hello everyone, it is Daniella from a Scientist here, and today we're going to be learning all about fossils. So what exactly is a fossil? Well, fossils are the preserved remains of an organism. Fossils range in size. They can be really big or really small, like microscopic. They don't have to preserve the remains of an entire organism, they can just preserve like part of an organism, like its shells or leaves. Not all preserved remains are fossils though. They don't officially become fossils until they reach an age of 10,000 years. But what exactly happens during these 10,000 years? Well, that is a process known as fossilization. Fossilization is quite rare. See, most organisms decompose very quickly after death. And in order for an organism to not decompose but instead be preserved, they must be covered in sediment soon after death. Which, by the way, sediment includes lava, tar, and even sand in some cases. So this sediment oozes on to the remains, and the remains are preserved or become fossilized. Bony parts are much easier to preserve, which is why skeletons and teeth are much more common than soft organisms like worms. But this isn't impossible. Sometimes soft-bodied organisms are preserved, like ants or mosquitoes. They're preserved in amber, or the fossilized resin of trees. What are the different types of fossils? Well, there are two types of fossils, body fossils and trace fossils. Body fossils are the fossils of things like bones or shells. This is what most dinosaur fossils are, and body fossils, as you can probably guess by the name, are mostly fossils showcasing parts of the organism's body. They're actually part of the organism's body. Trace fossils, on the other hand, have preserved evidence of organisms. They aren't preserved remains exactly, but instead preserved traces of those organisms. This can be seen like in an imprint of a leaf or a footprint. But why is all of this important? Well, fossils are actually so important because they help us learn about a time before documentation. They help us learn so much about the world's past, like the organisms that lived then or what the environment might have looked like. Those who study fossils are known as paleontologists. They find and study fossils all over the world and help us better understand what they mean. And there you have it. That is everything you need to know about fossils. Be sure to check out the National Geographic website for more information on fossils and other really cool topics. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and check the Miss Scientist channel for more. Bye!